Okay, so now we're at the build part, the actual physical build. So the best thing you do is lay out all your pieces, including the electronics and the keyboard and everything, just to make sure you have everything. And then once you've done that, just go ahead and follow me along with this build. Okay, so you may notice that this video ribbon is a bit long. This is because I messed up. I bought a 50 centimeter ribbon instead of a 5 centimeter ribbon. And because I misread it, I thought it said 50 millimeters, which would equal 5 centimeters. I thought it said 50 millimeters, and I went, oh, perfect size. Bought it. Once I got it, I realized this is a bit too long. And so instead of buying a new one and wasting more money, I just went ahead and used it, because kind of that's what Gen X do. We don't really complain, we deal with it. So I dealt with it. So let's get back to the build. Okay, now that you've got it together, it's time for the software. So don't freak out, it's actually pretty easy. There is a lot of steps, but I've written it down, and basically all you need to do is follow along. So let's get to the last video and get you on your way.